Hey, what's up everyone, it's Alter Tech back again with a new exciting video. In today's video, I have a very special product that I would like to share with you. It's my first ever Nothing product. Nothing is a company founded by Carl Pei. So why am I reviewing a Nothing product? Well, the answer is quite simple. They made a really great phone. It's the Nothing 4A Pro. It's one of the best looking phones out there. But before we talk about that, let's go ahead and see what we have here. Whoa, Nothing R. We have the Nothing Air 3As. So the first thing that catches my eyes, obviously it's pink. Wait, is my buds pink? Okay, so I think I think this might be a product that Rachel might be interested in. Pink. Interesting.
It's pink.
It's pink, yeah.
You should pink. Mm-hmm.
I didn't know I was getting a pink. Let's go ahead and just unbox this. So there is a pull tab. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this open. Nice and easy. And these are going to be very affordable. Whoa, here you go. Nothing X app. Okay. Now would be a good time to go ahead and pick up my Android phone, but let's take a look at this. Are you guys seeing this? How does it feel? How does the case feel? Because you're going to be carrying this case with you everywhere you go. So it's plastic, it's nice and smooth. It has like a rectangular edging to it, but it's also like a pebble shaped, so it's like a hybrid. You have your hinge, you have your USB-C port. Carrying this day to day in the hands feels nice. I think from a looks perspective, this is where it gets the most points. As soon as you open it, I guess this is an indicator. Okay, so one of the highlights of this phone is the call recording feature. This allows you to record audio by holding on to or pinching both earbuds. Okay, so the case, it's smooth on both ends. This gives you like an illusion that this actually pops up, but it's not. Pretty cool looking headphones. Very nice and shiny. So are these the coolest headphones I've ever seen? I'd say definitely yes. So I do like the transparency. You do have the Nothing 3A. And the attention to detail on this, it's really good. Okay, so hands down, these are the coolest looking headphones I've ever seen. They have exceeded my expectations. My expectation was that these headphones were going to look, somewhat on the cheap side. They were going to make this look less cool, so their flagship headphones could shine. But this is how they look on me from a distance. They do pop. Okay, so you don't even need to go through the entire booklet. There's an entire tutorial as soon as you install the app. So this is Rachel's Pixel 10. So it says her name, Nothing Air 3A. Noise cancellation. I'll test all this out. Spatial audio, equalizer, recordings, low lag mode. So for a budget device, this is very impressive. So let's go ahead and play some music. I want to go ahead and put these on. Now, as for the ear tips, let's go ahead and see how they feel. So the ones that it comes with, it fits in nice and snug. The noise cancellation automatically kicks in. I can't hear the fans anymore. I am mad because I didn't try these out sooner. I mean, if this is how your previous product sounded, holy shit. Okay, the bass is incredible, and I am a bass head, and sheesh, I am blown away. I am not exaggerating. I recently had the Pixel, the Pixel 2A buds, and the bass, I was a big fan of it, but this has an extra kick to it. For all you West Indians out there, Puerto Ricans, Dominicans, from the New York area. So you guys, if you guys are into blasting your music in your cars and stuff, and you guys love that heavy bass, these are something that you guys might consider. For the price point, definitely worth it. It feels like this is a a steal at this time. Okay, I gotta try this one more time. I gotta try another favorite song of mine. So this wasn't my favorite song, but it's one of the newer songs by Drake, and I know that song has a lot of bass to it. Okay, so these headphones, they have like this kind of like thunder to them. It feels like you're in a room and you have like these speakers on, and you could feel like this the thunder of the bass, if that makes any sense. You know, the highs, once you take it up a little bit, you know, like I said, it tends to suffer. Okay, overall, these headphones have exceeded my expectations. Even with the design does give this a lot of points. I would give it, my first impressions right now, 8.7 out of 10. And that's including with the app. I do like the app a lot. I like the connectivity. Why didn't I give it a higher score? I mean, for 10, it has to be near perfect. It has to feel like a flagship earbuds. I will be giving this or passing this on to Rachel. I'm curious to see what her first impressions are as well. I'm curious to see what her take is on the design. We'll see what she says about it. So let's go ahead and bring her to the studio and see what she thinks about these headphones.
Is this the only color?
No,
Oh, okay, cool. But they sent you the pink ones?
Yeah, I don't know why, but go ahead. I think they wanted you to have it. No, man. No.